Xinzhou's Dingxiang in Shanxi Province has been committed to innovation and upgrading, giving the flange industry a completely new look and enabling enterprises to find different breakthrough points. Shanxi's Lyuliang is accelerating the layout of future industries, enabling hydrogen energy vehicles not only to run faster, but also to travel farther. Let's explore together the story and sentiment behind Pingyao Wantuo, a traditional snack in Shanxi Province. Hello, welcome to Exploring Shanxi. I'm Zhang Yingyi. In the flange enterprises in Xinzhou's Dingxiang, the raw materials have long evolved from ordinary carbon steel in the past to stainless steel and various high-end alloys. And the application scenarios have gradually expanded to fields such as marine engineering and high-end manufacturing. Committed to innovation and upgrading, the traditional industries have taken on a completely new look. The flange enterprises in Dingxiang are also seeking different breakthrough points.
Tianbao Science and Industry Company Limited is one of the leading flange enterprises in Dingxiang. However, in the vast factory, not a single flange can be seen. Graduating with a master's degree in mechanical engineering from Harbin Institute of Technology, Zhao Pengwei joined the newly established Automation Research and Development Department of this flange factory just a few months ago. If a flange factory doesn't produce flanges, what else can it make?
This is a production line used for cutting carbon blocks. By then, the carbon blocks will be placed at this position. This production line can operate without human presence.
Zhao Pengwei said that this big machine seems to have nothing to do with the flange, but in fact, it has a great connection.
We are now manufacturing flanges, shifting from producing a specific component to an entire production line. We have changed the situation of our limited product mix and achieve a breakthrough in product added value.
The common problems among local flange enterprises are the limited products mix, the short industrial chain, and the low profit margin. How to break through these traditional bottlenecks? In 2008, seizing the opportunity of the vigorous development of the new energy industry, Tianbao shifted from manufacturing small flanges for pressure vessels to producing large flanges for wind turbine towers. Through extensive market research, they have found that many old factories across the country have an urgent need for digital and intelligent upgrading of their production lines. Among them, some enterprises, due to limitations such as products and space, required tailor-made upgrades and renovations of their production lines.
During this process, we can provide them with tailored automated production lines and services. This is a very broad market.
With talented students majoring in mechanical engineering leading the research and development, and experienced forging workers handling the production, the first automated production line independently developed by this veteran flange factory will be delivered to the client in the first half of this year. Challenges bring progress, and the same holds true for the transformation and upgrading of traditional industries. Staying ahead of the market and actively embracing transformation, tempered through fire, the flange industry is forging itself and also supporting the future of China's smart manufacturing.
In the first year of the 15th five-year plan, Lyuliang City has been closely focusing on the goal of building itself into a nationally important new energy comprehensive base, accelerating the layout of future industries and enabling hydrogen energy vehicles not only to run faster but also to travel farther.
This is the hydrogen refueling station of Pengwan Hydrogen Port of Lyuliang Pengfei Group. Multiple hydrogen-powered heavy-duty trucks are refueling hydrogen purified from local coke oven gas.
I have been driving this truck for 3 years. The most obvious feeling I have is that it saves money and has a range of up to 650 kilometers.
Behind the drivers saving money is the comprehensive demonstration of Lyuliang City's participation in the National Fuel Cell Vehicle Demonstration Application City Cluster, enjoying policies such as the toll subsidy for hydrogen-powered trucks on highways in Shanxi Province, and the local hydrogen energy full industrial chain layout, which has formed a cost advantage. During the 14th five-year plan period, Lyuliang City issued the medium and long-term development plan for the hydrogen energy industry, set up a special fund of 100 million yuan, or about $14.6 million, and built carriers such as Pingyao Hydrogen Port and the new materials park in Lyuliang Economic Development Zone, forming an industrial cluster effect. Nowadays, Lyuliang City is relying on its resource and industrial advantages to promote the hydrogen energy industry to achieve a transformation from breaking new ground to achieving fruitful results. It is expected by 2027, the scale of Lyuliang's hydrogen energy industry will exceed 30 billion yuan, or about $4.4 billion, making it the largest hydrogen energy equipment manufacturing and supply base in North China.
In Pingyao, Shanxi Wantuo is a dish that carries the taste of nostalgia for home. Pingyao Wantuo has a smooth, chewy texture, and whether served cold or stir-fried, delivers the authentic flavor of one's hometown. Today, let's follow An Peng, the maker of Pingyao Wantuo, to explore the century-old Pingyao snack and experience the story and sentiment behind it.
大家好，我叫安鹏，是平遥董记炒碗托的掌柜。碗托是一道地道的山西风味小吃，大街小巷随处可见。有3个地方的碗托比较有名，第一个是我们平遥碗托，还有就是吕梁地区的柳林碗托，还有忻州地区保德县的碗托。今天咱们就来聊一聊这个独具特色的平遥碗托。 平遥碗托和其他地方的碗托区别在于，其他地方的碗托是用荞麦面做的，而我们的平遥碗托是用白面做的。平遥处于泾中盆地，汾河两岸，因为我们这边水质的特殊性，再加上我们后期用那种优质的小麦粉，所以说做出来的碗托它爽滑，比较劲道。其实平遥的碗托制作方法还是比较简单的，它其实就是白面加上水，然后再放少许的盐。 然后调成糊状，调好糊之后，我们会拿这种白色的小碟子，把糊倒在上面，放到这个中间，然后放到蒸屉上蒸就可以了。平遥的碗托吧，它有2种吃法，一种是凉拌，一种是热炒。像凉拌的吃法吧，一般是用碗托切条，然后配上我们特制的一种调料水，加上花生碎啊，加上这些黄瓜丝儿，拌起来就可以吃。 而热炒，我们更热衷于拿猪油炒，葱花爆香以后，把碗托放进去，它配上土豆丝儿、各种火腿，加上各种肉、牛肉啊之类的，这个因人而异，想加什么加什么。但是有一点要记住，咱们的碗托一定要趁热吃。平遥不管美食再多，只要提起碗托，就会想起家乡。 它代表着吧，就是平遥人热情啊，不管这个平遥人你走多远，都会想念这口东西。它是渗进骨子里面的那种美食记忆。
That's all of today's Exploring Shanxi. Before go, don't forget to scan the QR code below to watch previous videos of our program. See you next time.